but just a shaking method is probably one of the best methods to get it out. Hello and welcome to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. In this cooking basics video, I am going to show you how to cook corn on the cob in the microwave. It only takes about 3 minutes and you don't have to deal with any shucking. It's pretty awesome. It's one of my favorite ways to cook corn on the cob, especially if I'm only going to do 1 or 2 or 3 ears of corn. Now to begin, you need some ears of corn on the cob. And what you want to do is you want to give them a good rinse, and you don't dry them at all, so you leave them wet, and then that's all you do. You don't have to do any other prep. Now into the microwave, I'm just going to do 1 ear here, and I am going to do it for 3 minutes on high. Now my microwave is a 1200 watt microwave. If your microwave is a lower watt, you might need to go a little bit longer, maybe 3.5 minutes, maybe even 4 minutes. So you'll just have to try it out and see. Open the microwave. In the microwave the corn goes. And you can do more than 1 ear at a time. It'll just take longer. With 2 ears of corn, it'll be about 6 minutes. With 3, it'll be about 8.5 to 9 minutes. Set it on high, 3 minutes. And let it go. And when the timer's up, we'll open it up. And then you're going to want to use an oven mitt to grab it, or just let it cool off in there. And we'll go over to the cutting board. And then we're going to cut off this end. Go in a little bit. And then to get it out, you can just kind of squeeze it a little bit and it'll come out. Or we can just kind of just hold it up like this and just let it kind of wiggle and shake, and then it'll come right out as well. But you kind of want to squeeze the top because that's going to hold all the silks together. You can also just grab it with tongs as well, but just a shaking method is probably one of the best methods to get it out. Look at that. And then at the end, you might have just a couple there at the end that you need to pull off. Just come over to this other side and just give it a cut. Of course, you can leave that end on if you want. And there we go. A perfectly cooked corn on the cob done in the microwave in about 3 minutes. And then now you can put some butter, salt and pepper, paprika, whatever, however else you want to serve it. Totally up to you. I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. As always, if you have any questions, comments, or requests, put them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thumbs up. Down in the corner, press it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Take care. Time for me to dive into this. Oh yeah. So good. Perfectly cooked. Amazing.